Okay, so we have our character and our main sprites added to our game. I click the green flag. My main character, the little ghost, goes up and down and left and right, which is what we want him to do. But there is a problem. As you can see, he's going right through these walls. So to fix this problem, we've got to look at our code. Right here, these if statements, if up arrow key is pressed, change Y by 5. And so if I do that, he goes right through the walls. But to fix this problem, I'm going to make another if statement. I'm going to control, going to if, go to sensing, I'm going to go touching, and I'm going to say if touching this sprite, my maze sprite, we're actually, instead of changing Y by 5, we're going to change Y by the opposite of 5, which will be -5. -5. And I'm actually going to take this if statement and put it underneath this change Y by 5. So it's got to be inside the if statement, but underneath the change Y by 5. So now how this works is, we will go up 5, but if I'm touching the maze, it's going to drop him back 5, so it's going to appear as if he didn't move. So I can go down, but I can't go up. It won't let me touch him. It won't let me move up if I'm touching the maze, which is what we want. And I can do the same thing here with the down arrow key. Go to control, if touching the maze, instead of changing Y by -5, we're going to change Y by 5, because that's the opposite of -5, and that will make it seem as if our character is not moving at all. So now when I press down, I can't go through it. And I'm going to do the same thing with my left and right arrows. So if touching the maze, this says change X by -5, so I'm going to do the opposite of that. I'm going to change X by 5. Put that right there. And I got one more to do. So control, change X by -5, put that right underneath here, and so now I click the green flag, I cannot go through the maze. And there we go.